Shawn and Kyle. This is Father Time. When is the best time of year to buy and sell real estate?
Hey y'all, welcome back. My name's Shawn.
And I'm Kyle.
And each week we have a new key that unlocks another mystery of real estate.
And remember, not only are we doing all these videos to provide a little entertainment and value for you.
Nope, we're doing it to provide entertainment and value for us too, because we're active agents in the Atlanta market. We want you to hire us. We also want you to trust us to find you an agent anywhere in these United States. And finally, Kyle,
Please love us.
please do. And if you do, hit love, subscribe, share, comment, tell your friends.
That's right.
That's right.
Hey, y'all.
Hey.
Well, this week our question came to us from Father Time, who wants to know what's the best time of year to buy and sell real estate.
Who is Father Time?
I'm not sure, but it's weird that Father Time doesn't know what time of year is best.
Right?
Exactly.
Well, Happy New Year, everyone. Happy 2022. And a big thank you from Team Real Estate Detectives for all of you that supported us last year, whether you used us as your Fruit Loop, you watched our videos, or you referred people to us. We really do appreciate it. We've set some lofty goals for 2022, and we need your help again. So please continue to support us in any way you can. With that said, Kyle, it's been a while since we've been sitting side by side.
It has.
How have you been? How was your holidays?
A lot of fun. I had some much needed time with family. My husband's family came and stayed with us for 9 days over the holidays. And
9 days?
It actually wasn't enough time. I wish they could have been longer.
Oh.
But, hung out with them, got to show them cool places around Atlanta. They finally got to meet you and Jeff at dinner. And
so nice.
It's just really, ultimately, like a really good time to spend with everybody. What did y'all do?
We do every year. We went to Knoxville to be with the grandkids. We've got 7 of them. Putting out reindeer food, checking the fireplace for Santa every 15 minutes, and then off to Nashville to share time with Jody Marr and her daughter and a bunch of friends, hiking through the forest, which I love to do, then down to Florida to be with my dad, and then to camp, and then take a breath. But it's good to be back and good to be sitting next to you, young man.
It's good to be here.
And a new year. So let's get down to business.
Well, there's not necessarily a bad time to put your house on the market. There certainly are better times than others. If you're asking yourself this question, then you're already ahead of the game and perhaps you have the luxury of waiting for the perfect time. Though most people don't have that luxury and they have to put their house on the market due to things that are out of their control, such as a job change or loss, financial troubles, or even death of a loved one. If you do have the luxury of waiting, then good for you.
Good for you.
With that being said, Shawn, what is the best time of year to put your house on the market?
Well, traditionally, the best time is the spring market. That's the time in which you can maximize your profit and investment. People have gotten through the holidays. They've survived the round table of dinner with grumpy parents and family. The snow has stopped flying and spring is in bloom. The flowers, the trees are budding, the grass is green again. There's a freshness in the air and people are excited. And people like to spend money when they're excited. So there are lots of buyers and sellers in the market at that time. Now, you're likely watching this, or at least the airing of this will be the first week in January, and that is the perfect time to be finding Fruit Loops like us. Now, a Fruit Loop on this channel is a full-time licensed real estate professional to help guide you to make the right decisions to prepare your home for the spring market. In Atlanta, the spring market begins in mid-February. That means you have between Christmas and Valentine's Day to put together a plan to maximize your profit, to prepare your home for the spring market, or if you're a buyer, put together a game plan so you can pounce on all that new inventory.
Did you seriously say Valentine's?
Yes, I live in Atlanta. That's what I say. Valentine's Day. Say it, everybody. Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Well, you do you. I'll do Atlanta.
Well, I will. So after the spring market begins, there are several peaks and valleys in the market up until Halloween. Though the summer is also a good time to sell, typically around June and July it does slow down slightly because people are on vacation or they're traveling. Then in late July and August, it does pick up again as people are trying to get into that new house in the new school district right before school starts. Then again, after school starts, there's another big push in real estate up until Halloween.
Kyle, that is so many details.
I'm a details guy. Well, I've experienced it for several years.
Well, that's true. I mean, when you sit on site, when we did sit on site for a couple of years and you're sitting from 9 to 5 every day, you're wondering where people are, you tend to notice the trends in the market. But that doesn't mean that there aren't agents working during the holidays or people out buying and selling. And historically, the market does slow after Halloween and through New Year's. That, of course, unless, like Kyle said earlier, you have to sell. Maybe that's because of a job change or financial situation or something like that. Because if you think about it, really, who wants to be putting their house on the market, having people people walking through their house during the holidays, or packing boxes, or moving vans, and all of that. Not too many people. And that's why historically there's a lot less homes on the market for buyers to choose during the holiday season.
And with that being said, it's real estate, so there's really nothing ever normal about it, which is why we love it, because literally everything we just said could go out the window, perhaps with a pandemic going on, or historically anything that's unusual. As we always say, it's a market. It goes up and it goes down.
That's a good point, Kyle, because when we were looking at our numbers for last year, there were a lot more buyers in the market during the holiday season than traditionally. So if you are a buyer buying during the holiday season last year, you probably thought, I made a great decision, because you were likely able to get a house without a multiple offer situation. And that's because people were busy, focused on the holidays, and there was a lot less competition in the market.
And if you were a seller that decided to list your house after Halloween, you may have been thinking what you did wrong, or why don't people like your house if it sat on the market through the holidays?
Yeah, and they probably did make a mistake, because who wouldn't want a multiple offer situation? And if you listen to the pundits and you listen to the experts, and what we're seeing is it's going to be a booming spring market, and as crazy this year as it was last year. So take the guesswork out of real estate and hire a Fruit Loop like us that has a deep understanding of what's happening in the market. We know that timing matters, and all of that can make or save you thousands of dollars. In addition to that, we make buying and selling real estate fun. And so with all that said, you're able to lay your head down on the pillow at night knowing that you've made the right decision for you and your family to maximize your profit and make a good real estate investment decision.
And now that you know a little bit more about when's the best time of year to buy and sell real estate, be sure to tune into us next week when we talk about what's going on in Atlanta, Georgia.
All of Atlanta?
Why not?
We can do it. Tune into us every Wednesday as Team Real Estate Detectives unlock another mystery of real estate.
And don't forget, not only are we the golden doodle and chihuahuas of real estate.
That's cute. I'm Chihuahuas.
Well, I'm golden doodle. But we also want to be your dream team.
That's right, your dream. This crazy sweet team. We specialize in single family homes and TLC. That's Townhomes, Lofts, and Condos.
And as always, tender, loving care.
Aww. Thanks for watching our videos. If you want to buy or sell real estate in the in-town Atlanta market, we want to be your trusted advisors. And if you live anywhere else in the United States and want to be connected to a full-time licensed real estate professional in your area, we can help with that too, and at no cost to you. Kyle, I'm a poet, didn't know it. Anyway, connect with us on our website at yourrealestatedetectives.com.
In fact, be sure to follow us on all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, at The Real Estate Detectives. And finally, we want you to like us.
Like us!
So if you found value in these videos, make sure to like, subscribe, share with a friend.
That's right!
Hey, y'all.
Hey!
We'll see you next week.
See you next week.